Welcome to the Pirls Stock Market Commentary video, your weekly window on stock market technical conditions, featuring the proprietary bull bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for August 4th, 2019. Market breadth. With this past week's market decline, our bull bear point and figure ratio at 0.62 fell from 1.03 last week. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns decreased 1% to 3,099. The count of bearish stocks increased 24%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 25%. The Pirls P&F market breadth summary chart shows us a market now 1 week in bearish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the Open Office Calc data from which the chart is generated. You may become a paid subscriber by emailing S2P Market Signal at protonmail.com for payment and access instructions, or by visiting Patreon. To receive the weekly Pirls Stock Market Commentary via email, free of charge, simply enter your email address in the space provided and click Follow. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, fell 82 points for the third decline in 8 weeks. At a negative 4.97 points, it continues below all 8 tops above plus 100 and above the 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 30 months. Volume analysis. In this week's volume analysis, the Nasdaq Composite Index ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode, with average daily volume higher than the prior week. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq had 1 accumulation day and 3 distribution days. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week, the Nasdaq ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode on higher average daily volume. Momentum. The CCI 20 daily in a Woody's uptrend at negative 253.69, down from 154.63 last week. It has 3 days below zero and has fallen below the plus or minus 50 range required for a Woody's zero line reject long entry signal. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 20 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend 6 weeks ago. The CCI 20 weekly in a Woody's uptrend at positive 62.70 fell from positive 135.51 last week. We await the return of the CCI 20 weekly to the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero line reject entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. Only one of the top 5 industries is positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Summary: gold and silver and REITs on the top, oil services and some tech on the bottom. Bullish, oil services continues in the bottom 5. REITs has entered the top 5. S&P retail has left the bottom 5. Bearish, gold and silver continues in the top 5. Disk drives and computer hardware have entered the bottom 5. Semis, networkers, and KBW Bank have left the top 5. Oil has left the bottom 5. Focus this week from Greg Hunter's USAWatchdog YouTube channel. Catherine Austin Fitts, Financial Calamity and Ongoing Process, number 2. Catherine Austin Fitts highlights the financial cabal's composting of life and liquidation of true assets to build and maintain the control system. Included is her theory that the missing $21 trillion went to Epstein and Clinton Foundation related human trafficking, blackmail, control files. Thank you for watching this week's Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary video featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart compiled by Donald Pearl, S2P market signal at protonmail.com. For Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary, I'm Cynthia Pearl, hoping that you have been enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you are looking forward to a prosperous and productive week coming up, and wishing you true success.